When you discover you have a brain tumor, the news sets off a race against time. Invasive biopsies and diagnoses to discover how serious, how cancerous, and even how long you have. For those suffering from benign meningiomas, the most common type, their location at the brainstem can make them severely disabling and even life-threatening. Yet, they remain vastly under-researched. Dr. Gelareh Zadeh is a neurosurgeon and scientist dedicated to treating patients and advancing the treatment, diagnosis, and perception of these tumors through her research. She created the International Consortium on Meningiomas, spearheading an integrated multi-platform molecular analysis of the most aggressive tumors, discovering prognosis predictors and potentially life-saving treatments. Working with Dr. De Carvalho at the Princess Margaret Cancer Center, Dr. Zadeh categorized biomarkers in blood. Thanks to her research, deadly tumors may soon be diagnosed, not by invasive biopsies, but by simple blood tests. Her dedication to understanding brain tumors has already had a huge impact for countless patients and will improve outcomes for many more to come.